Alright people, on today's vlog we're gonna get a shed build going. We got the deposit in already, so we gotta go pick up material. We got a couple days to get that, so let's get started. We're gonna go pick up wood today and also get the paint so we can get the walls painted before we get it to the customer's house. So I'll be painting those at the house, and then yeah, so let's get to it, people. Maderas directas. Over here. Hopefully they have all the wood I need. Right now I'm scrambling to get everything together, but we're gonna see how it goes. God willing, everything goes smoothly and get it done with no issue. Right now it's 4 o'clock and I'm rushing to go get the paint as well. The paint store closed at 5:30, so right now with traffic and all of that, hopefully I can make it on time. So I picked up 15 sheets. They're each of them were 436 pesos. Right here. There's a total of 65, but with taxes, it came out to 7,064 pesos. I'm not sure what's the exchange rate on that, but that's like $350 more or less. Sí, perfecto. Ahorita lo amarro. Gracias. There's Comex, but there's no parking there. So that's the store, guys. Comex. It's a big franchise chain store out here in Mexico. I would usually get my store or my paint. I would usually get my paint from Home Depot, but I'm gonna support the Mexicans out here. So here I am. So let's see what paint they got today for me. Buenas tardes.
¿Cómo estás, bro?
¿Cómo estás, bro?
¿Cómo te va?
Bien, bien.
Qué bueno.
Sí, por la pintura.
¿Cuál te vas a llevar?
Pues esa es la que me dijiste.
Mira.
La de concreto. ¿Cómo está esa?
Mira, la ideal es esta, la Aqua 100. Esta es la que está diseñada para madera, para todo, ¿va?
Ok.
Pero esta te cuesta 4,000 pesos.
Está más cara.
Ey, esa está diseñada.
Okay.
La que te comento es para concreto y es esta, 3,000 pesos. Y esta te cuesta 2.
Dos entonces.
Va. ¿Los quieres brillantes, esas brillante o los quieres semimate?
Semimate.
Semimate, ¿eh?
Sí. Sí, que no esté brilloso.
Sí.
Por favor.